Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So let's talk about something na makaka-relate tayong lahat. Bakit ba ang daming Pinoy kahit matalino nahihirapan sa English? There are 3 reasons. So let us talk about it at ating alamin. Hindi natin gamit araw-araw. Mas komportable tayo sa Tagalog o dialect natin kaya hindi natin nagagamit ang language na English. Takot tayo magkamali. What if mali grammar ko? What if pagtawanan nila ako? So yan ang mga salita na lumalabas sa ating bibig kapag tayo ay nagsasalita o plano natin magpaliwanag sa English. Feeling natin kailangan perfect agad. Kaya nagiging pressure, hindi na fun. So nape-pressure tayo na baka tayo ay sasabihan nila na mali-mali ang ating sinasabi sa English. So iniisip natin na kailangan perfect agad. English in an easy way. Meron tayong 3 steps. Start with common expressions. Tagalog is or Taglish is okay. You don't have to jump straight into full English sentences. Magsimula sa mga simpleng expressions na halo ang Tagalog to English. The goal is familiarization. Masanay ka muna sa tunog at gamit ng English words sa real-life conversations. Halimbawa, Ma'am, can I go to the CR po? Or, I don't have my notebook po, sorry. Wait lang, I'm still eating. Or, I like that movie, ang ganda. Why this works? These are expressions na madali at natural sabihin. You already know how to use in Tagalog, you are just slowly mixing in English words para masanay ka. Eat. Gamitin mo ito sa mga everyday situations kapag may kausap ka. Subukan mo mag-Taglish, walang mali sa halo-halo basta naiintindihan. Step 2. Practice a little every day, kahit 2 to 3 sentences lang. Learning English is like learning to drive. Hindi kailangan sabay-sabay. Ang mahalaga at consistent kang napapractice kahit kaunti lang daily. Kahit 2 to 3 sentences a day, may progress na agad. Example, today, I am a little tired kasi ang init ng panahon. I will study later after I watch TikTok muna. I don't like this food. Mas gusto ko yung luto ni Mama. Why this works? Small habits turn into big improvements. Hindi mo mapapansin, dumadami na English words mo. Masasanay mo rin yung utak mo sa sentence structure. So tip, try talking to yourself in English. Like, okay, I will clean my room na. Where's my pen? Nandito lang naman yung kanina. Next, let us have step 3. Listen and repeat. Copy muna, gaya-gaya lang. One of the easiest ways to learn any English is through imitation. Listen to how others speak English, especially Taglish speakers or vloggers, and copy how they say it. Uulitin mo lang para masanay ka sa pronunciation, tone, at word use. Think of it like karaoke, pero English version. For example, where to listen? Taglish vloggers on YouTube, cartoons or shows with subtitles, podcasts with simple English, teachers or friends who speak English confidently. Sample lines to repeat. Oh no, I forgot. That's okay. Next time I'll do better. Let's get outside. It's hot in here. Why this works? Your ears train your mouth. Pag palagi mong naririnig ang correct way to say things, mas madali mo rin masasabi ko, parang kanta. Sa kakapakinig, natututunan mo yung lyrics. So tip, pause the video, then repeat the line. Record yourself and compare. Hindi kailangang perfect, basta confident.